everyone, my name is Kimal Adajam and I'm very excited to let you know that we will be offering Applied Physics, Physics 1010 completely online or remotely this upcoming summer. This physics really is fun and very exciting. I could not think of any subject more exciting than physics. Physics really deals with the fundamental laws that govern everyday life. And these same laws are the same laws that govern how the universe works. So it will be my privilege to take you through a journey that will help you to understand the very fundamental aspects of life through the lenses of physics, to be able to explain how things work, to be able to explain the basic concept of electricity, and to appreciate the technological advancements around you. So this course is broken down into weekly modules, and each module has 4 sections. So each module has 4 interactive weekly lectures that will be posted on Canvas. The lectures are fun-filled, they are short, and they are easy to follow, and they require minimal math because we will not focus so much on the mathematical techniques that underlie physics, but we will focus more on helping you to understand the concepts and how to apply those concepts in your everyday life. So be pleased, if you are struggling with math, trust me, you will be fine. Following the weekly lectures, there will be a weekly home-based lab in which we will guide you through and help you to ask questions to develop hypotheses so that you can begin to understand really how these fundamental principles work. One of the big advantages of taking this course in that it will not just help you to understand your environment, but it may end up changing the way you think and how you see the world. Every week there will be a quiz or a test based on your labs and based on the 4 interactive lectures that will be available to you on Canvas. And don't worry, every week there will be an optional problem-solving Zoom session where I'm going to walk with each and every one of you, demonstrating how to use these concepts to solve physics problems and also preparing you for the weekly tests. And lastly, there will be ongoing class discussions where we will talk about ongoing trends in science, how these trends in the context of what we are doing in class, as well as it will provide a good forum for me to be able to help you succeed in this course. So I'm looking forward to working with you this summer, and I'm looking forward to help you succeed and be in the career that you want to be. Thank you, and see you then. Bye.